Whenever there's a crisis to which people show defiance, children, my advice is pay attention to science. You need to heed the data, or your troubles will be major. Please don't begin a fight you cannot win. It's not nice to screw Mother Nature. A virus is adaptive in ways we cannot rival, so experts must be tapped if you want a chance at survival. It takes research, testing, tracing, not some back-to-business wager. But if to facts you're averse, the next wave will be worse. It's not nice to screw Mother Nature. You can read the news or scan it to see the damage humans do. If you keep messing with my planet, I might just mess with you. When everyone is reeling and for normalcy you're hoping, don't trust some schmo's gut feeling about when you should reopen. You can try to cook the numbers or rewrite the nomenclature, but you cannot really hide how many people died. Don't even try to fool Mother Nature. I gave you birds and bees and flowers to delight each girl and boy, but you'd best respect my powers, 'cause I've got some you won't enjoy. In conclusion, I just wish you would keep this point in sight, folks. It's a nonpartisan issue. Facts aren't left or right, folks, but these nut jobs in the White House and within the legislature are acting clueless as hell, and I just want to yell. It's not nice to screw Mother Nature. When it's science you scoff, it sure pisses me off. It's not nice to screw Mother Nature.